Let's be honest, the American truck market has had a problem for a while now. Everything has gotten gigantic and unbelievably expensive. The honest workhorses of the past have turned into luxury tanks with six-figure price tags, leaving a huge hole for people who just want a truck that's practical, affordable, and actually fits in their garage. For years, it felt like nobody was listening. But it turns out Ford was. And their answer is the 2025 Ford Maverick. Now, everyone's been talking about this truck, and yes, the fuel economy is wild. But the real reason it's flying off dealership lots isn't just the MPG. It's a brand new feature for 2025 that takes this affordable hybrid and turns it into a truck that can handle just about anything you throw at it. And today, we're putting it to the test. By the end of this video, you'll see why the Maverick isn't just a sales hit. It's shaking up the entire market. So, what's the secret sauce? Let's get into it. The heart of the beast: powertrain and fuel economy. Alright, let's talk about what makes this thing go, the powertrain. The standard setup in most 2025 Maverick trims is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system that puts out a combined 191 horsepower. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. A 191 horsepower hybrid in a truck? Just stay with me. The magic isn't the horsepower figure itself, but how it's delivered. That electric motor gives you instant torque right off the line, making the Maverick feel surprisingly zippy and responsive around town. It's all managed by an electronic continuously variable transmission, or ECVT. And before you groan, this is not the droning, soul-crushing CVT you might be haunted by from other cars. Ford has tuned this thing to be incredibly smooth and quiet, with a seamless handoff between electric and gas power. You barely even notice it's working, which is honestly the best compliment you can give a CVT. But let's be real. The main reason people are lining up for the Maverick Hybrid is the fuel economy. The numbers are just staggering for a pickup. The front-wheel drive version is EPA rated for 42 miles per gallon in the city and 38 combined. Just let that sink in. This is a truck that gets better city mileage than a lot of compact sedans. Real-world owners consistently report hitting these numbers, often landing in the high 30s or low 40s in mixed driving. It's a vehicle that directly solves the pain of sky-high gas prices that has been a nightmare for truck owners for decades. For your daily commute, trips to the hardware store, and city life, the Maverick Hybrid gives you all the utility of a truck bed without the punishment at the pump. The game changer: all-wheel drive. For years, the Maverick Hybrid had one giant what if. What if you loved the miles per gallon, but lived somewhere that gets actual snow? What if you needed that extra bit of grip for a muddy back road or a slippery boat ramp? For 2025, Ford finally answered with the single most requested feature. All-wheel drive is now available on the hybrid model. This is, without a doubt, the biggest story for the 2025 Maverick. It's the feature that transforms it from a brilliant, economical city hauler into a true do-anything, go-anywhere vehicle for the overwhelming majority of buyers. The system is smart, mainly powering the front wheels for maximum efficiency, but instantly sending power to the rear when it detects slip. The result is confidence-inspiring traction in rain, snow, or on loose gravel, without a massive hit to fuel economy. The AWD hybrid is still rated for an incredible 40 miles per gallon in the city and has a combined rating of 37 miles per gallon. On dry pavement, it feels just as nimble as the front-wheel drive model. But the moment things get a little loose, the power transfer is so quick and smooth that you feel an immediate sense of stability. This isn't a hardcore off-road setup like you'd get in a Tremor, but it is more than capable for what 99% of truck owners will ever actually do. It's that extra layer of security that makes the Maverick a legitimate year-round vehicle for everyone, no matter the climate. By adding AWD, Ford didn't just add a feature. They knocked down the final barrier for a massive number of buyers who were on the fence. And as a bonus, pairing AWD with the available 4K tow package boosts the hybrid's towing capacity to a very respectable 4,000 pounds. The practical beast: exterior and bed. Now, let's get to the truck part of this truck. From the outside, the Maverick has a great presence. It looks like a proper Ford truck, just shrunk down to a size that actually makes sense. For 2025, it sports a refreshed front end with a new grille and updated headlights, giving it a slightly more modern, aggressive look. But the real genius is its size. At around 200 inches long, it's shorter than many family SUVs, which makes it an absolute dream to whip through tight city streets and crowded parking lots. The heart of its utility is the 4.5-foot bed, which Ford calls the FLEXBED. And Flex is the perfect name for it. It's not just a box, it's a brilliantly designed, customizable system. It's got multiple tie-downs, threaded holes so you can bolt in your own creations, and slots designed to hold standard 2x4s or 2x6s as dividers, or to build a multi-level storage rack. Ford even pre-wired the bed with two 12-volt power sources, making it super easy to add your own lighting or accessories. And get this, if you need to haul a 4x8 sheet of plywood, the multi-position tailgate can lock partway open, letting the sheet lie flat across the top of the wheel wells. It's packed with those kinds of thoughtful, user-focused details that prove Ford really gets what makes a truck useful. This isn't about brute force, it's about smart, accessible utility you can actually use every day. The SUV on the inside, interior and tech. Step inside the 2025 Maverick, and you might just forget you're in a pickup. The driving position and overall vibe feel a lot more like a compact SUV, which makes sense, since it's based on the same platform as the Ford Escape. That's a massive part of its appeal, especially for that huge chunk of buyers who are new to Ford and likely coming from sedans and crossovers. The interior is roomy and upright, with fantastic visibility and tons of clever storage spots. The biggest upgrade for 2025 is impossible to miss. A huge 13.2-inch touchscreen is now standard on every single Maverick, even the base XL model. It runs Ford's latest Sync 4 software, which is quick, responsive, and has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a massive improvement that makes the whole cabin feel modern and tech-focused. One controversial change is that the physical climate controls have been moved into that touchscreen. While some of us will definitely miss having real buttons and knobs, the integration is clean and easy enough to use. The materials are mostly hard plastics, but Ford did a great job using interesting textures, colors, and design touches to give the interior a rugged, stylish, and utilitarian feel that's perfect for the truck's mission. Addressing the doubts. Is it truck enough? Okay, let's tackle the elephant in the room. But is it a real truck? The Maverick is a unibody vehicle, not a body-on-frame monster like an F-150, but it was built for the millions of people who were buying full-size trucks and using maybe 10% of their capability. It offers enough truck for most real-life tasks. The 1,500-pound payload capacity is plenty for weekend projects, and the upgraded 4,000-pound towing on the AWD Hybrid handles a small boat or camper. However, it's not without its growing pains. Being a massive sales hit means even small issues affect a lot of owners, and some problems have started to surface. Several owners have reported glitches with the infotainment system, from screens freezing or going blank to laggy responses and connectivity issues with Apple CarPlay. Some drivers have also noted interior rattles and build quality inconsistencies. While recalls have been issued for various models to address things like instrument panel lighting and powertrain control module software, these early issues can be frustrating for new owners. The good news is that Ford seems to be actively addressing these problems. For software-related bugs, the Sync 4 system is capable of receiving over-the-air updates, which means Ford can push fixes directly to the vehicles without a trip to the dealer. For more mechanical issues, Ford issues technical service bulletins to dealerships to streamline diagnosis and repairs. This shows a commitment to refining the truck post-launch. So, is it a real truck? If your definition requires it to haul 10,000 pounds, then no. But if a real truck is a versatile tool that can carry your gear and get you to your favorite camping spot without emptying your wallet, then yes, the Maverick is absolutely a real truck. If Ford continues to listen to feedback and irons out these initial software and quality control wrinkles, the Maverick won't just be a great truck. It will be an unassailable benchmark for what a modern, practical pickup should be. So, what's the final call on the 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid? It is, without a doubt, one of the most important and compelling vehicles on sale today. It's a simple, winning formula. The fuel efficiency of a hybrid sedan, the easy driving comfort of a compact SUV, and the genuine utility of a pickup truck, all wrapped up in a package you can actually afford. Even with prices creeping up since its debut, demand is still through the roof because there is simply nothing else like it. It's the best-selling hybrid pickup in America, and for good reason. It's the answer to the oversized, overpriced truck problem. It's a beast, not because of brute strength, but because of its brilliant design, incredible efficiency, and unmatched practicality. It is the right truck, at the right time, for the right price. But what do you guys think? Is the 2025 Maverick Hybrid with AWD the perfect truck? Would you pick it over a traditional midsize or full-size pickup? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, do us a solid and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching.